Hi there, I'm Josh Piontek. I am going to be the English teacher for your student this year, and thank you for meeting me in this virtual environment. I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about myself so you can get to know me a little better, and also give you some information about the classes and show you where you can find some very important resources. So, some quick facts about me. When I was 16, I actually earned a black belt in karate. I probably could not throw a kick to save my life now, but back when I was 16, I was actually quite good. My birthday is May 26th in the spring. I am a Gemini. Having a late May birthday means that sometimes my birthday falls on the holiday and or on the 3-day weekend, which is always nice. And then my alma mater, I did my undergraduate studies at Missouri State. Actually, I graduated or was one of the last classes to graduate from Southwest Missouri State University. I did my first master's degree, which was in English at UMSL, and I graduated from there in 2008. And most recently, I completed a second master's degree in educational technology, which is coming in handy now, from Southwest Baptist University. Some of my favorite things are my favorite color is green, blue, and gray. I can't just pick one. My favorite restaurants also just can't pick one. I love Mission Taco and also Canetto's House of Pasta on the Hill. And then my favorite book is 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. My favorite food is gooey butter ice cream, specifically from Clementine's. If you have not had it, I highly, highly recommend you make a trip and get some. It will change your life. Favorite activities are well, not even recently, several years ago, I started doing yoga and I found it very helpful for my flexibility and my strength and all these wonderful things. And I also recently have gotten back into biking. And then my morning drink is dark roast coffee with milk. Have to have it every day or I cannot function as a human being. All right. So that's enough about me, but so let's get on to some of the important information that you're going to want to look at and find for the course this year. So the real question is, and this is going to be true probably for all your students' classes, and I'm probably not the first person to tell you this. Where can I find everything? Everything that you and your student need for the class can be found on Canvas. Canvas, Canvas, Canvas. You'll be able to find the syllabus there, assignments, communication, announcements, Zoom links, anything else you would possibly want to know. Canvas is your one-stop shop for all of it. So, for example, the syllabus will be a great place for you to start when you go to Canvas. When you get onto my Canvas homepage, there is a link right there for the syllabus that you can look at and use. It will provide you with the required material, required reading material. It will tell you the breakdown for the grading for the course. It will provide you with information on when my office hours are on the daily basis. And then also will let you know what supports are available as well. As far as communication through Canvas, it's very easy. There is an email function in Canvas. There is also a place where I will be making announcements, and these announcements get pushed out to your student, and those will typically have some really important, good information in them. And then lastly, any feedback on student work I provide will be provided within Canvas as well. So it's really an amazing tool. Several students have already started using it and used it last year. It is really quite an amazing thing. You know, the key with this all too is Canvas is really going to help us make sure that our students are doing what they need to do, that they're doing the work, that they are learning. We are having a very different fall than we had in the spring when it comes to this virtual learning. And so Canvas is going to be a great tool to help make sure that everything is successful. So before I let you go to go look on my syllabus and investigate and come up with questions for the course, I just wanted to share one final thing with you, which is my hope for the year. So as it says right here, I hope that during this time we can all come together and support one another through all the challenges we will be sure to face. This is going to be a year like no other in terms of school and education. I could not imagine this. When I graduated from Missouri State with my degree in education, if you told me that this was how I was going to be teaching one day, I would not have believed you. But for that very reason, my key word that I keep going back to when I think about education and when I think about this is grace. Having grace for parents and for students, hoping that students and parents are giving grace to me, and then making sure that I'm giving grace to myself, and parents are giving grace to themselves, and students are giving grace to themselves. Because that's really going to be the key thing that's going to help us all get through this together and make sure that we have a successful educational experience in this crazy way to start the year. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can always email me, and have a wonderful rest of your virtual open house. Thanks.